Hello, welcome to Jeep Budget Build. I'm John, this is Derek, and behind me is Derek's 2015 Jeep JKU Sahara. Today we are going to be installing the Currie Enterprises Antirock sway bar system. What's the point of this system? Well, it means no more disconnecting at the trail, no more losing pins, no more jumping up and down on the sides of your Jeep to reconnect your sway bar. You just pull up and start wheeling.
There are two kinds of flex. There's maximum flex and there's usable flex. An example of maximum flex would be if you disconnected your sway bar and saw how far you could travel up an articulation ramp. Usable flex would be how far up you can travel up the articulation ramp and still have traction with your lower tire. The Antirock system is designed to give you the most usable flex while still having good road manners. The sway bar system consists of a torsion sway bar, frame mounts, splined arm brackets, and heim joint sway bar connects. Derek was able to pick this one up on Facebook used for about half the price of a new one, keeping it within our budget build theme. Installation on this is pretty straightforward. First we remove the old quick disconnects, then you unbolt the frame mounts for the factory sway bar from the frame, and the sway bar is ready to come out then. We then remove the two lower quick disconnect mounts. To install the Currie system, the first thing you do is mount the frame mounts in the factory positions of the factory sway bar mounts with the bushings facing forward. Next, the torsion bar slides in through the two bushings. It fits real tight. We use a dead blow hammer to get it in, and you need the torsion bar ends to equally stick out on both sides. It's about 1/2 inch. Installing the sway bar arms comes next, and then you tighten down the pinch nuts and put the end caps on them. We measured from the ground up to make sure that the sway bar arms were equally level with each other. And then lastly, you install the sway bar end links with the hardware supplied with them, and you adjust the end links with the arms on them so they are slightly above level. The reason for them being slightly above level is your suspension's already compressed, so you actually only have about 30% up travel at this point, 70% down travel, and at this point your installation is complete. Thanks for watching. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and JeepBudgetBuild.com.